Our plan is gonna work. This will turn the modern city back to the way things were in the Jurassic era.
Today, Dylan and Polly have come to Nina's home to play with toy cars.
Oh, Dylan, your car's a bit dirty.
Oh, you're right.
Looks like you need my car wash service. Welcome to the newly opened Nina's Car Wash. We need to pick what kind of vehicle this is. It's a car, so we need to push that button. Here you go.
Wow, cool. My car is sure to come out super clean. Has it finished? Don't you use hot air and towels to dry it?
Go ahead and taste the bubbles.
Wow, it's ice cream! Wow!
I bet you'll like it.
That's fantastic! Thank you, Nina. But now I really want to clean my car.
Okay, no problem. Huh? What happened? Yuck!
What's the matter, Nina?
We don't have any clean water.
Oh my gosh, it's so dirty and smells bad.
Perhaps something is wrong with the water system. I wonder if it's just our house.
Okay, let's watch TV and see if there's any news of what happened.
Breaking news. The Dinosaur City is suffering from the biggest water crisis ever. This afternoon, something went wrong with the water system. Untreated, stinky water is going into everyone's homes. If this smelly, toxic water gets to rivers, lakes, and seas, they will be polluted, seriously endangering all the underwater life.
Isn't that Mr. Know-It-All? It must be one of his tricks again.
Please do not use stinky water at all. The Water Bureau is making urgent repairs.
Goodness, no!
I must stop this. Hey, I know a place that has clean water to wash my car. I'll be right back. We're at the Water Bureau. Let's transform. Garoo! Garoo! Go, Dino! Roar! Found it! The pipes are going the wrong way. Let's fix the plumbing. We found the first mixed up pipe. Repair it. Now, let's repair the second messed up pipe. Let's fix the last problem pipe. Yay, we did it! Way to go!
The water crisis in Dinosaur City has been lifted. You can now use clean water.
Drats! My plan to make life go back to the Jurassic era was stopped. You all got lucky this time. Roar! Next time I'll make you all pay the price.